Hello JISMO scientists! Welcome back again with me Muji-sensei, and today we're gonna talk about implosion. Okay, implosion is the force of crashing inwards. Okay, and we're gonna study implosion with the Titanic, which is the largest ship in the world. Okay, so this largest ship was meant to sail from Southampton all the way to New York, and it hit an iceberg on the April 12th, 1912, and it sunk under the sea at a depth of 3,800 meters. And then, in the year 2023, a submersible called the Titan was meant to search the wreckage of the Titanic and see it from the window. And then, during the 18th of June 2023, when the Titan was sinking below to see the wreckage, it imploded. What happened to the Titan? And then, 4 days later, a search and rescue team discovered the debris or the remains of the Titan, indicating the implosion of the Titan. In this experiment, we are going to simulate what happened with the Titan submersible using the power of atmospheric pressure. Okay everyone, for today's experiment, you will need several equipments. So, the first one, you need a wire mesh. And then you need a stove. Okay, so for this one, you need your parents' permission to do this experiment. And then next, you need an empty can. Okay. And then you need some water. And then you need an empty cup. And then you need a metal clamp. And the last object, you need an aquarium. Okay everyone, for today's experiment, I will be helped by my assistant. You might have known him from last week's. It is Mr. Vigo. So I have here with me, Vigo-san.
Hello everyone.
Okay, so today's experiment, I have one assistant and let's get it started. Okay everyone, now we are filled the tank filled with water, and then we are gonna put the wire mesh on top of the stove, and then we're gonna fill the can with some water. Okay, and then put it on top of the wire mesh, and then we turn on the stove. Okay, please do this with your parents' supervision, okay, as this is dangerous. Then you grab your metal clamp, and then wait until vapor comes out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Okay everyone, now I would like to explain what happens when this can is crushed into this can. Okay, so what happens is, when water is heated in this can, it turns into vapor which is invisible. Okay, when it goes out, it is condensed into water. But inside is all vapor, that is why when I condense it immediately, it turns all into water and inside is nothing, or we call as vacuum. Okay, when that happens, atmospheric pressure can crush it at 1 kilogram for every 1 milliliter of volume. This can has 350 milliliters of volume, so it is almost or approximately 300 kilograms of pressure crushing it into this. Okay everyone, now Vigo-san will try to replicate my experiment and let's see how it goes. Okay, he's filling the water and then placing the can on top of the wire mesh. Okay everyone, so when I'm boiling the water inside the can, there is 100% vapor and then my aquarium on the left. So when I take this vapor quickly into the aquarium, it condenses and turns to vacuum state. That is why the atmospheric pressure can crush it immediately. But in the case of Vigo, the aquarium is on the right and then his hand is inefficient, so when there is a delay in movement, the air from the surrounding can get into the can and then stabilize the pressure, and then when he pushes it to the condensed form, nothing happens. Okay everyone, so how did your experiment do at home? I hope it was successful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, like, and share to your friends and family so that they can also repeat this experiment at home. Alright, so thank you for watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!